बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल इमोशन बाय डिज़ाइन। आज मैं आप लोगों की खिदमत में कुछ अहम इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज इस्लामियात के लेके आया हूँ। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट सूरा ऑफ होली कुरान? आंसर इज़ सूरा अल-बकरा। Question number 2, Torah was revealed on which prophet? Answer is Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Question number 3, Surah that begins twins with Bismillah. Answer is Surah Al-Naml. Question number 4, first Surah of Holy Quran. Answer is Surah Fatah. Question number 5, total number of manzil in Holy Quran are. Answer is 7. Question number 6, total number of Makki Surah are. Answer is 86. Question number 7, which is the first revealed surah in order of revelation? Answer is Surah Al-Alaq. Question number 8, Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad was born on. Answer is 22 April 571 AD. Question number 9, Hazrat Amna radiallahu named Hazrat Muhammad wasallam. Answer is Ahmad. Question number 10, the age of Hazrat Muhammad wasallam was dash years when married to Hazrat Khadija radiallahu. Answer is 25 years. Question number 11, Salat was made obligatory in which Nabawi years? Answer is 10 Nabawi. Question number 12, Namaz-e-Istisqa is offered when? Answer is rain is needed. Question number 13, Namaz-e-Kasoof is offered at the time of. Answer is solar eclipse. Question number 14, Zakat was made obligatory in. Answer is 3 Hijri. Question is, which angels are called the angel of hell? Answer is Zebans. Question number 16, to whom the responsibility of the record keeping of good and bad of the human being is given? Answer is Kiramin Katibin. Question number 17, Salat-ul-Istikhara is offered at the time of. Answer is when someone is doubt about assignments. Question number 18, Masjid-e-Qiblatayn situated in which city of Saudi Arabia? Answer is Medina. Question 19, birth year of Hazrat Muhammad wasallam is also called. Answer is Amul Fil. Question number 20, Usher was made compulsory in the period of which caliph? Answer is Hazrat Umar radiallahu. Question number 21, Which was the first battle fought by the Muslim against Kuffar? Answer is Ghazwa Badr. Question is, a male is confined in how many dressed sheets after that? Answer is 3. Question number 23. Sahabi name mentioned in Surah Al-Azab. Answer Hazrat Zaid bin Haris. Question number 24. Name the prophet who invented soap. Answer is Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. Question number 25. Holy Quran was revealed on Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam through which angel? Answer is Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Question number 26. Total number of surah chapter in Holy Quran are? Answer is 114. Number 27. How many rakas are in Holy Quran? Answer is 558. Question number 28. Holy Quran was first translated by the whom in Urdu? Answer is Shah Abdul Qadir Rahmatullah Alayhi. Question 29. Cave Hira is in the Dash mountain. Answer is Jabal-e-Noor. Question is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived in Medina for dash years. Answer is 10 years. Question number 31. Ghar-e-Sur is mentioned in. Answer is Surah Al-Tawbah. Question number 32. How many times Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam is mentioned in Holy Quran? Answer is 3. Question number 33. Where is the grave of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu? Answer is Jannatul Baqi. Question number 34. Current Hijri year is. Answer is 1444 after Hijri. Question number 35. What was the age of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam? Answer is 950 years. Question number 36. How many ideas are described in Surah Nooh? Answer is 5. Question number 37. Last two surah of Holy Quran are. Answer is Surah Falak and Surah Nas. Question is 38. Duration of toofan-e-Nooh. Answer is 6 months. Question number 39. Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiallahu did belong to. Answer is Banu Umayyah. Question number 14. Which surah is called Zinati Quran? Answer is Surah Rahman. Question number 41. Who was the first killer of the world? Answer is Qabil. Question number 42. How many times the word zakat came together with salat in Quran? Answer is 32. Question number 42. What was the mother name of Hazrat Abdul Mutalib? Answer is Hazrat Salma radiallahu. Question number 44. Who was the youngest son of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Answer is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Question number 45. What was the real name of Abu Lahab? Answer is Abdul Azza. Question number 46. In which sea Fir'aun was drowned? Answer is Qulzum Sea. Question number 47. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had dash son. Answer is 3. Question number 48. What was the name of Imam Bukhari radiallahu? Answer is Muhammad bin Ismail. Question number 49. Hazrat Khalid bin Waleed radiallahu embraced Islam in which Hijri? Subscribe my channel Emotion by Design Sir Zahid Hussain. Question number 50. Which of the following is fatherless prophet? Answer is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Question number 51. Name the Sahabi who died in last. Answer is Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiallahu. Question is 52. Name the woman after Hazrat Khadija radiallahu who embraced Islam. Answer is Lubaba binnati Haris radiallahu. Question number 53. The word Islam occurs how many times in the Holy Quran? Answer is 10 times. Question number 54. What was the real name of Abdul Mutalib? Answer is Shiva. Question number 55. Old name of Jummah before Islam. Answer is Yomul Aruba. Question number 56. When domesticated donkey was declared haram in Islam? Answer is 7 Hijri. Question number 57. Which Muslim scientist wrote first book on algebra? Answer is Al-Khwarizmi. Question number 58. Muzdalifah is an area between. Answer is Mina and Arfat. Question number 59. How many verses in the Holy Quran dealing with the animals? Answer is 200. Question is who was the first one to collect and compile a hadith at Basra? Answer is Imam Zuhri radiallahu. Question. Hazrat Umar radiallahu tenure of the Khilafat was. Answer is 10 years, 5 months. Question is who was the first ambassador of Islam? Answer is Musa bin Umair radiallahu. Question is how many matharif of zakat mentioned in Holy Quran? Answer is 8. Question number 64. Which river is most often mentioned in the Bible? Answer is Jordan. Question number 65. Zilli Ilahi means. Answer is shadow of Allah. Question number 66. Salat Jummah became the first in which city? Answer is Medina. Question number 67. How many Sahabas were involved in the preparation of ditch in Ghazwa Ahzab? Answer is 3000. Question number 68. When Hazrat Usman radiallahu was the martyred? Answer is 18 Zulhijjah 36 Hijri. Question number 69. In which surah is described the oneness of Allah? Answer is Surah Ikhlas. Question is which prophet was able to talk with animals and jinns? Answer is Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. Question number 71. Distance between Makkah and Medina is answer is 300 miles. Question number 72. How many khutbah are recited during Hajj? Answer is only one. Question number 73. Hazrat Idris alayhi salam was expert in. Answer is astronomy. Question number 74. The Holy Quran has translated into how many languages? Answer is 114. Question number 75. Tragedy of Karbala was happened in dash Hijri. Answer is 61 Hijri. Question number 76. How many words are there in First Kalimah? Answer is 7. Question number 77. Which event is called as the Day of the Furqan in the Quran? Answer is Ghazwa Badr. Question number 78. How much time the word Ahmad has appeared in the Holy Quran? Answer is 1. Question number 79. To which tribe did Hazrat Khalid Bin Waleed radiallahu belong? Answer is Banu Makhzum. Question is total ruku in Surah Al-Imran. Answer is 20. Question is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was created on. Answer is Friday. Question is first Ghazwa in Islam is answer is Abwa. Question is the bird crow is mentioned in Quran Surah. Answer is Surah Maida. Question is Azra is the title of answer is Bibi Maryam. Question conqueror of Afghanistan. Answer is Amir bin Abdullah. Question is real name of Sultan Salahuddin Ayubi was. Answer is Yusuf. Question bridge was invented by Prophet. Answer is Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Question is mirror was invented by Prophet. Answer is Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. Question is needle was invented by Prophet. Answer is Hazrat Idris alayhi salam. Question is how many surah of Holy Quran contain total their verses? Answer is 3. Question is which surah of Holy Quran is also known as Qatal? Answer is Surah Muhammad. Question Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam built which mosque? Answer is Masjid-e-Aqsa. Question is which Muslim country has highest Hajj pilgrims? Answer is Indonesia. Question is How many times Kalima Tayiba is mentioned in the Holy Quran? Answer is 2. Question is the tomb of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam is in. Answer is Damascus, Syria. Question is the duty of Hazrat Mickaeel alayhi salam. Answer is responsibility of wind and rain. Question is when was Rabia Basri born? Answer is 96 after Hijri. Question Hazrat Bilal Habshi radiallahu is buried. Answer is Syria. Question is when did the Battle of Camel take place? Answer is 36 after Hijri. Question is 100. Laylatul Qadr is better than dash month. Answer is 1000. Thanks to all friend. हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए आप लोगों का शुक्रिया। अगर आप लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकॉन के बटन को दबाएं। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल इमोशन बाय डिज़ाइन सर हुसैन।